Hey, so if root permission isn't working in LDPlayer, yeah, that can be confusing, especially when apps keep asking for access and nothing happens. In this video, I'll show you how to fix root issues step by step. First, go into LDPlayer settings and make sure root permission is actually enabled. Sometimes it's turned off by default. After enabling root, restart the emulator. Yeah, it won't fully apply until you reboot. Next, check if your Super User Manager app is installed and updated. That's what handles root access requests. When an app asks for root access, make sure you tap Allow. If you denied it earlier, it might stay blocked. If root still doesn't work, clear the app's data and try again. Sometimes permission settings get stuck. Some root features work better on specific Android versions. Try switching to Android 7 if you're having issues. Certain apps block or interfere with root access. If something isn't working, try disabling security or optimization apps. If nothing works, reinstall LDPlayer. Yeah, it sounds extreme, but it fixes most root-related issues. And yeah, some apps simply don't work even with root on emulators. So make sure the app actually supports it. So yeah, that's how you fix root permission not working in LDPlayer. Follow these steps and root access should work properly.